Hey guys, and welcome again. In this lecture we will learn the why to access any path in the Termux in easy way. For example, in my file I have here this folder Termux, okay, and this folder contains a different folders or file a b c emails as bash rc.html, and inside this folder A we have B, and inside this folder B we have C, and folder C contains a folder Units, and folder Units is empty, no files, no content, nothing else. Okay, so how can I enter into this path an easy way? By using, of course, Termux on or Linux. So let's go back to Termux, clear. After that, type cd and SD card ls. So Termux maybe, yes, under ls. So this is the directory, and after that cd a, okay, ls, cd b, okay, ls. After that, clear for ls, and cd c, okay, ls, cd units, okay, and ls. So this is the directory. Okay, how can I enter into this directory? Because we use the Linux kernel, so we need a short-term way to enter into this path. So for example, we want to enter into this directory only by writing a command in one line. How can I do this? So it's easy. Just type cd and ls. So about, so if I type clear ls, so my directory right now is home. No, I am not inside my SD card, okay, but I want to access in my file by writing a command in one line. Okay, just type cd and SD card. After that, slash and Termux. If you type Termux, Termux, okay, and after that, if you type on A and slash, after that B slash C slash and Units, enter ls. About, as you can see guys, this is the method. If I type cd, after that 2.2 to go back, and ls, cd, okay, ls. As you can see guys, this is the method. It's easy, and for example, what about if you want to access a path and sometime view the file by writing one line? Let's do it. Okay, just type clear and cd to go into the home ls. Okay, just type cd and sd card and type this symbol, okay, is meaning and, okay, and ls. If you press enter, as you can see, I will to repeat guys to better understand me. Okay, cd or clear, cd and sd card, and type on this symbol ls. This symbol is meaning and, okay, meaning and, okay guys, and ls. as you can see, guys. In the same time, I enter into my directory and view the files, or appearing the file. Okay, cd Termux. Let's enter in this folder and this symbol and ls. As you can see, guys, as you can see, and this is how can you access any path in the Termux. See you in next lecture. Enjoy, guys.